This rug completely changed how this room feels, and I didn't expect a neutral piece to make that big of a difference. This is the GarveeHome 8x10 neutral abstract area rug that I've been using in my living room. It was sent to me by Garvee, so this is a gifted product, but everything I'm sharing is based on my own experience living with it. The first thing I noticed when I put it down was how much more modern the space looked. My previous rug leaned more traditional, and this abstract design gives the room a cleaner, more current feel without being cold or minimal. It adds movement and texture, but it still lets the furniture and decor do the talking. Before I get too far in, if you want to check out pricing, sizes, or color options, I have affiliate links in the description below. And if you enjoy seeing how real-world products actually look and function in a real home, make sure you're subscribed. I test these things so you don't have to guess. There was one moment when I first laid down this rug where I wondered if it was going to look right in here. It arrived folded, which meant there were some visible creases at first, not unusual for rugs shipped this way, but I wasn't sure how fast they'd relax. What worked best for me was flipping it upside down and using a steamy iron over a pillowcase. It didn't erase every crease, but it reduced them enough that they aren't distracting, and the rest will fade naturally over time. The color is another reason it works so well. The gray tones balance the room that's pretty heavy on dark browns, creating a lighter, more airy feel, which is exactly what I want in a living space that gets a lot of natural light. It's also really comfortable. The rug is soft underfoot, not scratchy and stiff like 90% of the washable rugs I've tried. It actually feels nice to walk on and sit on. And the non-slip backing is legit. I didn't need to add a rug pad, and it hasn't shifted even in this high traffic area. And yes, it's machine washable, which is huge for a rug this size. Realistically, however, washing an 8x10 rug is still kind of a production unless you have a very big washer. So I mostly spot clean unless there's a serious mess, but it's nice knowing I can throw it in when needed. Living with this rug day to day, it's been really solid. The edges stay flat, it doesn't slide around, and it still looks soft and fresh even with constant foot traffic. Most importantly, it makes this living room feel more styled and intentional instead of just filled with furniture. If you're thinking about upgrading to a more modern, easy care rug like this, you'll find my affiliate links in the description. And if this helped you visualize how it could work in your home, subscribe for more honest real-world home reviews.